Janani Janmabhumisha Swargadapi Garyesi. Motherhood and motherland are greater than heaven. Anantakash Maheshwari Purna Gauravanvit Mero Desh Nepal. शीर्षक को यो हिमालय सीरीज का मेरा पेन्टिङहरू म स्वदेशबाट बिछोडेर लामो समय परदेशमा आफ्नो अध्ययन र जीवन कर्मको सिलसिलामा बिताउँदा आफ्नो देशको माया र सम्झनामा चुर्नमा डुब्दा र स्वदेशसँगको लामो समयको बिछोडमा पिरोलिँदाखेरि आफ्नो मनमा उब्जिएका भावनाहरूका अभिव्यक्तिहरू हुन्। आफ्नो मातृभूमि प्रतिका अखण्ड श्रद्धा र अपार भक्ति भावका अभिव्यक्तिहरू हुन्। The Himalaya series of my paintings entitled My Motherland Nepal Gloriously Stretched Amidst the Endless Sky are the deep expression of my extreme emotional attachment to my motherland Nepal and its soil. देश साँच्चै मुटुमा हुन्छ सीमा नामा होइन। देश साँच्चै मुटुमा हुन्छ सीमा नामा होइन। देश रगतका नसा नसामा बग्छ नदीमा होइन। It is not in the geographical boundaries that your country lives. It is in the blood that flows in your veins that your country lives. Remember, it is not in the house of God that your country lives. It is in the temples of your heart that your country lives. When I was living abroad, far, far away from my motherland, for my education and my profession, I lived in utter loneliness, solitude and pain. In order to evade loneliness, I started to paint. I started living in an imaginative world of my own, in an imaginative world of the Sherpas, the Himalayas, the Yatis, the mountains, the rivers, rivulets, the lakes, the pristine landscape of Nepal. And it is only after painting the Himalayas I realized that my heart got filled with the heavenly nectar, the ambrosio, the amrit, which helped me to attain the sublime state of infinite happiness and peace. So these paintings of Himalayas are the deep expression of my extreme emotional attachment to my home country and its people. I have got too nostalgic and I have literally poured out all my sentiments of love, affection, my faith, my hope, my respect and my gratitude to my motherland. Or in other words, these paintings are the songs of my patriotic heart, as in my patriotic poem, A Letter to My Motherland, Nepal. I would rather say these paintings are the Gitanjali to my prideful country and its people. Nuptse Majunili Raat, Nuptse at moonlit night, the glorious sunset over Mount Everest, सूर्यास्त को स्वर्णिम आभा सगरमाथामा, विश्व को ताज मेरो देश नेपाल. Nepal, the crown of the world. I also imagine the mountains, the pious Himalayas, as the heavenly angels, and I tried to name them the three angels, Ganga, Jamuna and Yamuna. A painting with the sunset. Suryasta Kusoni Abha Sagar Madhama. Himalma Godhuli Utsav. Nepal, I love you. Along with the sun at dawn, Nepal awakes. Along with the moon at dusk, Nepal gleams. Water even of the strange country, tastes so sweet as Himalayas. And even the hours of twilight, exhilarating exact as of Nepal. The heavens of my heart is replete with love for my country. To my dwelling place above, my country casts its comforting shadows. On peaceful serene nights, I muse upon Nepal's day-to-day events. Hark the call of motherland. This was the translation of my poem, Nepal Amalai Patra, by the translator, poet M.B. Pradhan. Nepal, I love you. Desh ke maya lakcha. This is another poem which is translated by M.B. Pradhan into English. While I was painting, I felt as if I am no more in this materialistic world and I have reached the spiritual world. So I tried to name this painting भौतिक संसारबाट दूर दूर. मलाई यस्तो अनुभूति भयो कि म यो भौतिक संसारबाट टाढा टाढा एउटा आध्यात्मिक दुनियाँमा पुगेको जस्तो फिलिङ भयो. So I named it Far Far Away from the Materialistic World. With your exuberant aroma, we breathe our life through you. Never in the house of God your country lives. And sure, never in the spreading scaffold, but in work illumined with songs of praise and hymns in the open space and the temples of your heart your country lives. A letter to my motherland, Nepal. The title of this painting is The Dancing Clouds Above the Precious Rocks and Mountains of Nepal. Nepal ka anmol chattan र पहाडमाथि नृत्य मग्न बादल. I can see the accomplished Kanchenjunga giving inspiration. I can see it as a source of inspiration and challenge in life, and so I named it The Challenges of Kanchenjunga. Chunauti Kanchenjunga. The poem attached to it is Hopes I Cherish. Let the snowy mountain dance in the lips of every countryman. Let the breathtaking rhododendron smile. Let every Nepali cherish a dream of colorful rainbow. Let every man of my native land stream beads of pearls of perspiration always, of travels and endless journeys. Let every Nepali sing tuneful songs galore. May the forests of all be streamed with blessings sacred, and every continent brightened with grace divine. From every palm of my breathing, let fragrance of works sublime emanate. Let the saga of Amar Singh to every Nepali provide a shot in the arm always, in their veins flow the mighty blood of Balbhadra. Let Brikuti embellish the eyelash of every Nepali, and their hearts set ablaze by stories impassioned of great Pasang Lamu. This was the translation of my poem Abhilasha by M.B. Pradhan. Machapusri dawns, the fusion of Himalaya, lake and flower. Machapusri Fewa and Lalupati Sangam. At every spasmodic hiccup, with heart immensely filled with patriotic fervor, I trot over the globe, walk miles and miles as keen ballad singer, climb the steep alien hills and stare at beaming Annapurna, and sniff jasmine in cool fragrant breeze. From the mural paintings of the wall I watch Lord Swayambhu's eyes, the floodgate open, the continuous flow of divine utterance loud in the hills and dales of my heart within. Blossom the exotic orchid in the placid fewatal of my eyes, the grandeur of Machapusri dawns. A glimpse of Annapurna range, Annapurna Shrinkala Paridriksha. Nature has always been a great school of wisdom, a great teacher, a university of learning, an institute of understanding, and an academy of illumination. Learn from the chopping birds of golden cage, casting the victuals offered on a silver platter always, to spread your wings wide in the expansive sky. Mother Earth, a living symbol of love and tolerance, even nurtures a raging volcano in its womb. When treated with disdain or when boundary crossed of humanness, learn to erupt and display an outburst of retribution. Ours is an immortal land, infused with patriotic fervor, body immersed in divine nectar, executed from Mother Earth, embalms our body in pain, comforts us with echoes and re-echoes of resounding waterfalls. Blessed is my heart. where herb immortal from Himalaya flower, and upright pillar rise of lasting fame and honor, dream unending I do envision. I'm writing, I guess, of history of immortal fame. This is the charismatic Foxo Module, Foxo Modoku Chamatkarik Prabha. A Shangri-La fallen from heaven on earth, Swarga ko ek angsha dharti ma. The missions of life overlooked never is not amazing material wealth, but for our unbound soul is reaching for the sky for freedom. Suryasta Kusundi Maha Macha Pushrima. Who am I? Unfailing and imperishable I am, impossible to split asunder, munition and arm incapable to wreck and decimate me. Relentless fighter I am for greater freedom and liberty. Who can but I dare to die in holy sacrificial altar to free dear motherland of mine from savage, cruel shackles of brutal slavery? Who am I? The magical touch of the charming blues, Neer Tilasmi Sparsha. Besides the sentiments and the emotions expressed in my paintings, as an environmental engineer, I have also endeavored to create a message of environmental awareness and environmental sustainability through my paintings. These paintings carry along with them the message that we have to preserve the natural blessings, these assets. We have to safeguard them. We have to protect them. It is the duty of each and every citizen to protect them from the threats of global warming and the detrimental effects of climate change. Only then and then we can hand over the clean, green, beautiful Mother Earth with uncompromised natural resources to our future generation.